Okay, so this is that's the unit coming up, as you can see. If you look, it's pretty close to the underneath of the bed extrusion, but it is clear. It's clearing all the way along. So where are we? Just here. Where are we? Yeah. Not very professional, I'm afraid. So anyway, what I do is I undo the split clamp, and I just push the shaft through, and as it goes through, it goes through with ease. Otherwise, if the clamp moves just a little bit, it gets wedged and you can't get it in. So there you go. Lots and lots of room. I'll put it like that. Let's put it like that. Just nip it, and away you go. And everything's nice and free. It's not binding. So that should, in my opinion, should work really well. So I thought I'd just do this little video because I should have done it when I was milling the slots and in the base and everything. Oh, one of the other things that I did do on each side of the block, you can see, where are we? Yeah, just here I put another T-slot in on both sides, just in case I might want to attach something to here or to the other side. And one of the things that I was thinking was that I don't know how the Sherline DC motor is going to work with this, but what I have here is a nice motor from, where are we? Minneapolis, Honeywell, Honeywell, and it's a 27:1 geared motor, and it runs really nice, and it's quite silent. You can hardly hear it. And so what I was thinking was that if I do have problems with the Sherline motor, then I can always attach this unit here in a nice box and use that T-slot to locate it, and run a belt from the geared motor up to the spindle. And if I can get this thing to reverse as well, then I can use that for screw cutting instead of using a handle or the Sherline motor. That's if the Sherline motor is not powerful enough. I think this might be, there might be enough power in this. It says 13.5 watts, 50 cycles to 60 cycles, and that's about all I have there for information. But it's 27:1, so that could be another worthwhile thing. It's not that I'm going to do any screw cutting on this unit. Well, at least I'm not going to do a lot, I'm sure of that. But it's just a nice feature, and I thought it's a nice little project to take away the agony that I had with the cross slide of the hand shaper being on the mill all the time. It was on there for months. So anyway, there you have it. So I'll switch off now, and thanks for watching, and any comments would be appreciated, good or bad, doesn't matter. Thank you.